Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The Essential Travel Tips, our destination for you today. It's the top 20 solo travel safety hacks 2025. 1. Share your itinerary. Before you leave, provide a close friend or family member with a copy of your itinerary, including accommodation details, transportation info, and any changes you make along the way. Stay in touch at least once a day. 2. Use a VPN. A virtual private network encrypts your internet connection, making it safer to use public Wi-Fi. It protects your personal data from hackers who might be snooping on public networks in cafes, airports, or hotels. 3. Keep your valuables hidden. Invest in a money belt, hidden pouch, or neck wallet that goes under your clothes. Store your passport, bank cards, and extra cash here. This ensures that if you're pickpocket, you don't lose everything. For blend in, do research on local fashion and culture. Dressing like the locals will help you avoid standing out as a tourist and reduce your risk of being targeted by scammers or thieves. This includes wearing neutral-colored clothing and not carrying flashy items. 5. Download offline maps. Download Google Maps or other map apps with offline capabilities before you arrive in a new destination. This way, if you lose cell service or data, you can still navigate your surroundings. 6. Stay in secure accommodations. Look for accommodations that have good security measures like 24/7 reception, CCTV, and well-lit entrances. Choose hotels, hostels, or rental properties with secure door locks and safe deposits for your valuables. 7. Always trust your instincts. If you feel uncomfortable or unsafe in any situation, trust your gut. Whether it's a shady area, a person you feel uneasy about, or a situation that doesn't feel right, it's better to remove yourself than risk something going wrong. 8. Keep emergency contacts on hand. Write down key emergency contacts like local police, your embassy, emergency medical services, and the nearest hospital. This is crucial, especially in areas where you might not have access to a local phone number or internet connection. 9. Secure your hotel room. Don't just rely on the standard lock. Use a portable door lock or a door wedge if you feel the need for extra security. If you're staying in shared accommodation like hostels, lock your valuables in a secure locker. 10. Use anti-theft backpacks. Anti-theft backpacks come with lockable zippers, cover-resistant straps, and hidden compartments to deter thieves. They offer extra security, especially in crowded areas like markets, festivals, and public transport. 11. Carry a backup bank card. If you lose your wallet, a backup card is essential. Keep it in a separate location, like in a hotel safe or a different bag, so you still have access to funds if your main card is lost or stolen. 12. Stay sober in new locations. While enjoying the local nightlife is part of the fun, always be cautious about drinking in unfamiliar places. Avoid getting too drunk, and never leave your drink unattended. It's safer to keep your wits about you when you're exploring alone. 13. Avoid flashing expensive items. Leave valuable jewelry, expensive cameras, and high-end electronics hidden or at home. In some countries, wearing flashy items can make you an easy target for theft. Opt for simple, functional clothing and accessories. 14. Choose safe transportation. Use official taxis or well-reviewed rideshare services like Uber or Lyft, especially late at night. If you're using public transport, research the safest routes in advance. Avoid empty or poorly lit buses and trains after dark. 15. Use location sharing apps. Apps like Google Location Sharing or Find My Friends allow you to share your real-time location with trusted contacts. This is especially useful if you're venturing into unfamiliar or potentially unsafe areas. 16. Keep copies of important documents. Make photocopies of important documents and store them in a separate location from the originals. You can also take photos and store them in your cloud storage or email them to yourself. 17. Learn basic local phrases. Even if you don't speak the language fluently, learning a few key phrases can help in emergency situations. Know how to say help, police, where is, and emergency. 18. Be cautious with strangers. While being friendly and open is part of the travel experience, don't overshare personal details with strangers. Be especially careful if someone is being overly insistent, overly friendly, or asking you to go to unfamiliar places. 19. Keep a low profile. Avoid drawing attention to yourself by avoiding large, touristy groups or excessive photo taking. Stay off your phone in public places to avoid looking distracted or lost. 20. Use a personal safety app. Apps like BeSafe, Noonlight, or SafeTrek allow you to send your location or activate an emergency alarm. Some apps even notify preset contacts if you stop moving or trigger a distress signal. By staying aware, planning ahead, and using these strategies, you'll minimize risks and maximize your solo travel experience. Safe travels. Have a nice trip.